Good morning everyone, welcome back to day 21st. And I chose a different place to shoot today by the little pond that as you see here. That's our entrance to the Glendale campus of Disney. Because it will be the last office edition. So I thought we could have some other view. And while I was setting up, my sweet coworker came by and dropped me off a gift. Isn't that sweet? Alright, let's see what it is today. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Guess who it is? It's our other friend, Dale. Ah! Come out. Look at him. Isn't he so cute? Love focus. Snowman, another snowman. Wait. Let's get both snowmans out. Adorable. So cute. I got a pair of snowmen. This one has the right scarf. And the hands. They're so cute. They're super cute. We're still waiting for Goofy. Oh my god, I'm really excited to see where he's gonna be. Oh shit, I almost put it in the wrong box. I ripped my box wrong. Look. It's not perfect anymore. Oh well, life isn't perfect. So what do you think of these so far? I really enjoy opening every single door. I just hope that I knew them better. But you know, that's fine. It's all about making new friends. And I made a lot of new friends this month. And 22nd to the Christmas is gonna be great. It's gonna be a new collection. Which movie is it gonna be? Please don't kill me on this. But I'm gonna have so much fun filming on the weekend because it will be not at the office and I can do it wherever I want. Hopefully it'll be fun. And then definitely next season to Christmas tree. And I hope you guys enjoy this movie film channel of today's little snowman. I wish they put a little bow on him. That would be cute. But Dale isn't a girl, so I guess that's appropriate. Okay, bye.